Okay, so I am at the new construction site, and of course, this is the Coleman D, which is the one that y'all like. Of course, this is the one that's sold, but this is the one that you would be able to get the idea of how it looks. So it looks like they're sodding most of the yards. So they're sodding, well, all the way halfway to the back. I'll just say that. Okay, so vinyl siding, of course, and this one has the little brick on the front. Some of them have stone, but this elevation has the brick on it. Okay, going into the house, you have I think it's a vinyl. Let me just look to see. Let me touch this floor. Um, it looks like a vinyl that's in here. We'll have to figure out exactly what this is. But it looks like a vinyl that's been laid, because I don't see any seams on it. So this is your living room area. I'll go back to looking to see. Right here in the living room is the garage door. So you would go out to the garage this way. The garage is really big. I'll just say that. It's like double the size of that little living room area. It's a living room area. And then right beyond the living room is this little bathroom. It's a little bit bigger than what I thought. I wish they would have moved this wall back and made the living room a little bit bigger, and then made that bathroom smaller, because they have really small items in there, and they could have given some of that room for the living room. Closet here. And then going in, you have your kitchen on this side. Pantries here. And then these are the cabinet doors. Okay, so it's just looking at the quality. So these are about the same quality as the ones in that other new construction area. So this would be like basic, really basic cabinetry. Then they have the island here in the middle. These are about the same. Yep, these are the same Frigidaire appliances that were in that first house. So they're using the same package here. And then, of course, if you look on this side, this is their great room, and they have the fireplace that they have just in the wall. And it's probably just an electrical fireplace. So it's really not one for heating, it's really just gonna be for to look at. And then out in the back, let me just see if they did any cover. So on the back, it's just flat on the back. I'm going to take a picture of this. So the backs of the houses are really flat, and there's no covering over the door, which we've found. And they did them all the houses are the same way. It looks like on this side, the other side, and I don't know if it was the same builder, They were doing covers over the door and patios over the doors. So maybe that's a different builder. But this one does not do. And what we found is that when you get a lot of rain, it does come right into the back door when you don't have that any type of cover over it. I've had a couple of clients that bought houses where they had no covering over it, and the rain just comes in when it rains. Okay, so coming back into the house, this is the area where you would put your refrigerator, and then, of course, pantry. I think we looked at that before. I wanted to go back through there. And they did have a couple of drawers and storage under this island. Okay, same thing. Well, this one just has the button light fixtures, so about the same as the other builder that we looked at. But I think this one has a little bit more lighting in, like in the kitchen, because they have the spotlights in the kitchen. And then this front room where I said you could do a den, I think they're making this your formal area. The other builder used these same lights that are in the kitchen throughout, so everything is like consistent. You don't have any of these button lights. Okay, so going upstairs. On this one, they have a really dark gray carpet, but I know this one's already sold. So when you get to the top of the stairs, this is the first bedroom. Okay, this is the shower. This is concerning because they don't have shower doors. So you just put a curtain and put it on the inside of there. I know they were doing this years ago, but a lot of people had a lot of problems with water coming out of the shower. So this is a vinyl also in the bathroom, so it's not a tile but a vinyl. The toilet is on this side. Same cabinets here. You do have a 2-sink vanity in this room. The tub is very low. Matter of fact, this is the first time I've seen one this low. So I just want to take a picture from this side so you can see how low it is. And then this is the master closet, which is a really big closet. Going back out and sand that. Okay, they do have the boxing in the ceiling. Okay, and then going down the hall, this is a nice size to this room. A lot bigger than the other rooms that we were looking at before. Regular closet, but a nice size room. Okay, this is the bathroom. You have vinyl on the floor. You have Formica, just like the other builder, on the on the countertop, excuse me. And just the round sinks like they used to put in. And then this is a regular size bathtub. And then, I don't know why they put that toilet so low to the floor. Okay, this is bedroom number 2. And this is a nice size. a little bit bigger than the ones that we were looking at. Closet here. Linen closet here. This is the laundry room. And then this is the last bedroom. This is the smaller of the bedrooms. But it's bigger than the other bedrooms we were looking at the other house. And this is vinyl, again, the same vinyl that they used. And then they do have those lights like the other builder put in the hallway. And I think they have the button lights in the rooms. Yeah, button lights in the rooms. And then, let's see, in the master, I think they have the button light. Okay, so anyways, this is the plan that you like, the Coleman. And I'm going to send this to you so that you can look at the placement of everything. And then you can see, it does have a nice space down here as far as this other room. It's nicely spaced.